In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your card to Google Wallet and ensure it's ready for contactless payments. We'll go through each step with clear instructions so you can easily follow along and set up your Google Wallet in no time. To start off, you'll need to open Google Wallet on your smartphone. Once you have it open, you'll see an option that says Add to Wallet. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where you'll be prompted to enter your card details. It's a straightforward process, just ensure you have your card handy. Carefully input all the required information, such as the card number, expiration date, and any other details needed to link your card to Google Wallet. Now, it's important to note that for you to be able to make contactless payments using Google Wallet, there's a crucial step you need to take. You must have NFC, short for Near Field Communication, enabled on your device. This feature allows your phone to communicate wirelessly with payment terminals, making the process of tapping to pay seamless and easy. So, to check this, let's navigate through your phone's settings. Begin by tapping on your profile, which is located at the top right corner of your screen. Once there, proceed to Payment Setup. You must complete this entire setup process to ensure everything is configured correctly. After that, head back to the main settings menu on your phone. This can usually be accessed by swiping down from the top of your screen and selecting the gear icon, or directly via your app's menu. In Settings, you're going to look for the section labeled Connections. There, you'll find an option specifically for NFC. Make sure this is toggled on. If it isn't enabled, simply tap the switch to turn it on. With NFC activated, your device will be capable of making contactless payments using Google Wallet at compatible payment terminals. Once you've gone through these steps and ensured that NFC is enabled, you're all set. Your Google Wallet is now ready for contactless payments, giving you the convenience of paying with just a tap of your phone. This setup not only makes transactions easier, but also provides a modern, secure way of handling your purchases. So the next time you're at a store that accepts contactless payments, give it a try and enjoy the seamless experience. And there you have it, the simple process of setting up your Google Wallet for contactless payments. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to revisit this guide. Thanks for watching and happy tapping with Google Wallet.